right, little buddy. How's it going, gents? Here we are today on the big adventure. This is bringing back some 2015 vibes with all the KTM 690s behind me, but they're not on this trip. They're Tasmania going up to Queensland. I'm just waiting for my lads to rock up. Hell of a lot of bikes around here. There's a couple of KTM 500s over there and a bunch of 690s. They're going from Tasmania all the way up to Queensland. Luck to them. See if my WR goes good. There's another bloody 690. It's just adventure bike heaven. Have a look at them all. And we got a wild Silas rocking up. How's it going?
Right.
Mate, it's bloody adventure bike heaven around here. Bloody, they're all here. What a great day to get out of bloody Melbourne. Get out of the cold. Let's get to Queensland. Out of the cold. Here he is on the new AFK Twin, ready to go. Woo! Drop it.
Morning, mate.
Oh, howdy.
That nice little bit of gold in there.
Ooh, a bit of Swedish gold. Someone will rob it. Beautiful. That'll get you through. The adventure of a lifetime. 11,000 kilometers, Melbourne to Queensland, and then back down. Let's go through who's here, who we've got. We've got my WR250R. We got Nerbsan, who's doing some strip teasing on his Tenere 700. That should be fine. We've got Silas here on a 701 with the hacked up LR front tank. He's adapted to it. We've got Mark here on a shiny new Africa Twin with some shiny Olins in it. And then we've got Oliver here, who's on Nick's WR, Nunu here on a 701, another 701 that he purchased for this trip. We're all just gearing up, getting some Maccas in us. We've got a big ride. We're gonna head up to Swan Hill. Excited, Mark? Ready to go?
Excited.
Let's big ride. You're already 10 minutes late, but it's all good. That's all good. That's 20. Silas, excited? Ready to go? Warm?
Yeah, very warm.
About to head over to Bendigo, the world's coldest place. So
Really looking forward to
we'll
it.
be fine.
But, all the good stuff is after that.
That's it.
Everything comes after Victoria.
It can only get warmer from here, isn't it? That's it.
I'm pretty happy.
That's
Good weather so far.
Yeah, it's
good.
It's not Portugal, but it's
it's, and you got your coffee in you? Excited?
Really excited, man.
As long as we get a coffee every day.
Australia, loving it.
Hell yeah.
Great weather.
Let's go before it starts raining. Let's go. Nerb's got the tactical belt. What's in there? Just fuel pump, just everything you need. Just love it. Let's go. We're all here all together for the first time. Leaving Maccas. Got to get Maccas to start any great adventure starts at Maccas. I should really be a spokesperson for Maccas. But let's go. WR on, full of gas. 250 Ks to the first stop. It's a good little stint, that one. Let's go, brothers. Ready to go. The WR squad. Yes. Let's go. Here we go, boys. 11,000 kilometers. Almost all of Australia. Can we make it out of the petrol station? It is freezing. Well, they can't even hear me, but it is freezing, it is raining. Get me out of Melbourne. Get me to the desert. Little WR's tapped out. Trying to do 110 headwind. North we go. The great northern adventure. Out near frickin' Bendigo and stuff. Jesus Christ, that's the coldest place on earth. Woo! It's been freaking raining and it is like 5 degrees. It's pretty freaking brutal. But it's just spitting down with the rain now, and I guess just going a little bit slower through this town. A little bit nicer, but Jesus Christ, not the best day to freaking take off for the trip. is freaking freezing, but it could only get warmer from here, eh? Mildura. It'll be sunny in Mildura. It's always sunny in Mildura. Couldn't possibly raining. Oh my god. 260 kilometers non-stop. Ugh. I'm dead. I've died. Ugh. I haven't done that in a while. Since COVID, I think I haven't done a 260k non-stop stretch. I am surprised the 701 did it. A stock tank. That's amazing. Oh my god, I can't feel my hands. Alright, so we just did 260 Ks. I used 12 litres. What did Nerb use? What are you on? 13.1. 13. Yeah, so pretty close. This is where Mark grew up 130 years ago. Pretty cool, the shack. Right on the lake. Huh? Right on the lake. Yeah. Pretty cool.
That's the house. You open it up and it's got kitchen one side, bedroom and lounge on the other.
All you need.
And a toilet at the back.
That's cool.
My fanny pack.
Love the fanny.
Love it.
Jesus Christ. Ultimate dad mode fanny pack.
No, don't film it.
Got it. There it goes. Looks good, Nerb. I like it. Anyway, we're trying to work out where this is where we were meant to go. Bloody Mungo. Look at the rain. Closed. Rain. Tornadoes. Every road is closed. So we're gonna go to Mildura. Camp on the Murray, I reckon. What could go wrong? It'll be fine. Let's have an egg and bacon roll. Latte. Done. Living off the land. What a psychopath. Nerve sending us into the desert. Raining. Cold. Let's do some sand. Road crashes. What could go wrong? Oh, it's an adventure, eh? So let's just freaking get into it. Where are you sending us, Nerve? Where are you sending us, Nerve, son? Well, good for day one to get a little bit of sand. Generally, if you were doing a Simpson trip from Melbourne, you wouldn't actually hit much sand on the first day. But we're going to cut through Hatta. What the freaking desert race is. Silas just ripping it up on the 701. This is a perfect filming angle. I can chill on the road and film him struggling. That's it. So much spinner. Yeah, it's weird being in the, we're in Hatta Desert right now and it's pissing down with rain. Very strange. I don't know where we're going, so no point in me having my phone on. Not know the route through the desert in the rain. I just saw a couple of kangaroos before. I think the European boys are pretty pumped to see some kangas. I'm sure we'll see thousands of them. I reckon this is probably better than doing those Mungo bloody Majindi lakes. Just come out here and get a bit of freaking sand in it. Day one, man. Who needs the Simo? There's Nerve going. I'm gonna go here, eh? Freaking Cowabunga. Bit of wet stuff through here, bit of water about, mate. No dramas at all. Bit sludgy. Oh, the river we're going through. River crossings in the desert. Didn't think I would be doing that. Still raining. We're in a bit of mallee scrub now, looks like. Just waiting for the bloody kangaroos. Surprised we haven't seen more kangaroos so far, but I think it's, I don't know, because it's raining maybe, that they're not out. This is definitely their territory, and it's kind of getting late in the day, so it's kind of getting close to kangaroo o'clock. Look at the Humble Africa twin that Mark's on. Bulletproof, quite heavy. Oosh. Jesus Christ, that's slippery. The bulletproof Africa Twin. What could go wrong? I can guarantee nothing will go wrong. A bike that would never snap a subframe will be the Africa Twin, I can assure you. Look at the screen on it. It's Apple CarPlay and shit. He's playing freaking video games and shit while he's crossing the Simo. It is heavy though. I wouldn't want to drop it. Keep it upright in that Africa Twin. That'll be brilliant. Sheesh, it's slippery on that clay. We're glamping it up, Nerb. Forced to go to the motel.
I just want to lie on the ground, but no.
It was hours of rain, just absolutely bucketing down. Pulled into a motel in Mildura. Everything's breaking. My battery's probably screwed. Getting motel rooms. First night. GoPro isn't dead. Hooray! Alright. Drying gear. Everything is destroyed. There's the bikes. There's the bikes. All wet. That was just like a bajillion mil of rain. That was hell. And look, now the rain stops just as we got into the hotel. Bloody hell. So what are we cooking tonight, Nerb? Living off the land here.
Mama.
How glamping are we? We've got a motel, Palmer.
We knocked over an emu on the way out.
Yep, that's an
Grabbed
emu.
its egg.
Emu egg, yep.
Did there, and then the Palmer is, like chicken.
Yep.
Right? Chicken Palmer. It's actually an emu Palmer.
Cool.
It's a big chicken.
Emu Palmer. Look at that. After a day riding in the rain, can't beat it.